Hey guys, it's Zach and
Maggie, woo!
And we're bringing the holidays to a couch, there's focus, near you. What are you up to right now, Mags?
I am wrapping a couple more gifts. This one is for our man-child also, who is in our dining room right now. He arrived last night, early, as I had mentioned.
Surprised.
Surprise. And today is the big snowstorm day, which it just, literally just started.
I'm excited.
20 minutes ago.
So tonight, we will be kayaking down our hill if we get enough snow, so.
I thought you meant actually kayaking.
Oh, I would love to go kayaking.
I'm good. Too cold.
But we're going to go take a quick look. It just started, and we'll keep you guys posted throughout the day.
I'm excited.
All right. Everyone's favorite man-child, would you like to say hello?
I'm looking at wedding photos. None of them with me, though.
Any good ones? Oh, you can't even see.
Not very good pictures here. The better ones are over here, like this big stockpile of the same photo 1,000 times over. I wonder what they're gonna use those for, guys.
Tyler, you don't think maybe I set aside your photos that you're in?
All right, guys. It has begun. It's actually pretty windy, too. Oh, it's beautiful. So hopefully we might get a white Christmas this year. There's expected 1.5 feet of snow, upwards of 2, and it's going to drop into the single digits soon after this. So exciting.
Okay, it's a little bit later, and it is snowing. It's definitely snowing and collecting, although it's taken its sweet time because I wanted to do a hyperlapse for you, but there's still not, it's not going fast enough. Let's put it that way. Ooh, pretty. I don't know if you can see from here, our road is all covered too, right there. So, can't wait to see what it looks like tomorrow. I've got all of the Christmas gifts under the tree. These ones are from Tyler, and then these are for our friends. And I've got a bunch of Christmas cards here that have pictures from our wedding, so we'll give them to our friends. It's looking pretty Christmassy. Okay, we are in the car. There's a lot of snow. Can't even see out the front window. And Zach is around back, cleaning everything off. What is he using? Do we even have a brush? I'm glad he's a polar bear. I am not at all. Cold?
A little bit. It's windy, 25, and raining, freezing rain. Also in the snow.
I was gonna say, isn't this just snow?
Yeah.
It's coming down pretty good now.
And this is just the start. It's gonna go
boy.
all night long, and I'll come out here probably 1 a.m. just to plow the driveway, so it's easy.
Mr. Plow, Mr. Plow.